Hello everybody, letter strips, how to do long installations. I have many videos in my channel, but very often you ask me how to do installations with letter strips of more than 8 meters, 10 meters. Check it out. Here in this marvelous web that I leave you in the info of the video, I'm translating it automatically. They give you many ideas. For example, you can put the source in the middle of the strip, or on both ends of the strip, so you would have a long letter strip but with two sources. Or do a parallel installation, or even, for example, do a square but place the transformers on the corners. And nowadays this is very simple because, as they say here, you can synchronize them very easily, because there are many gadgets nowadays that allow you to switch them on at the same time. So very, very simple. And they have many other examples. You can have a look. For example, for 20 meters, in the center I would put the transformer on the control, and then do two branches and go to the middle. And even with more than 20 meters, using amplifiers that you can have in their website or in many other providers. So have an eye. It's a marvelous, marvelous resource. Okay, see you next time.